Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called LifePoints, and maybe you're wondering, can you really earn? Is it as easy as 1, 2, 3? Let's check it out, okay? Is this legit, or are there better ways to make money online out there? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more, 100% from home, just click the link all the way below and I will send you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out LifePoints to find out how good this strategy is to make money. Is it legit, or are there better ways to make money online out there, okay? Now, LifePoints is a actually very old survey website, right? So it's available in 40 countries around the world. It's not available in every single country, but it is available in most of the big countries around the world. Now, if you want to sign in, you can just come in right here. You can click on join now. They're going to ask you for a bunch of information like your name, your username, your password, your email, that sort of thing. And once you've logged in, make sure you take the time to fill out your profile, because they need to find out as much information on you as possible so that they can then serve you some surveys, okay? Now, how it actually works is once you're logged in, all right, basically you're going to see surveys pop up in your dashboard area. Right now, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to fill out like 100 surveys a day, because that's not how LifePoints works. They will serve you a certain amount of surveys every single day. It depends on your location. Some countries you don't get that many surveys, so you might log in one day and you might have only 2 surveys to fill out that day. The next day you might have no surveys. The day after you might have no surveys. The day after that maybe you have 3 surveys. You get the idea, right? So in certain countries like the US, Canada, the UK, you might get more surveys. You might have 10, maybe 15, but as you start to fill them out, they do deplete. So unfortunately, LifePoints doesn't have an unlimited amount of surveys. It really does depend on where you live in the world, and for every single survey, it pays between 10 cents and $2 per survey, roughly. Okay, now most of the surveys will sit between about 30 cents and 60 cents. That's kind of the sweet spot. Occasionally you'll get lucky, you'll get a $1 survey. Occasionally you might get a $1.50 survey. Sometimes you get a $2 survey, but those are quite rare. Okay, now you will have to qualify for the surveys too, okay, unfortunately, right? So you're not going to be able to qualify for every single survey. Sometimes you get disqualified, so it's roughly about 2 to 3 out of every 5 surveys that you will qualify for. So just understand that you're going to have to take a pre-qualification questionnaire for each survey. Sometimes you get disqualified, and so that's just the name of the game. That's how it works when you fill out surveys, okay? Now, once you fill them out, you get rewarded, and there are a few different ways that you can actually withdraw depending on your country, okay? You can withdraw mainly through PayPal, which is cool because PayPal is available in hundreds of countries around the world. You can withdraw through cash, right? They have gift cards as well. The gift cards will depend on your country, okay? They will be e-gift cards. And depending on your country, you will basically get different gift cards. PayPal, $5 for most countries to withdraw. That's the threshold. And for gift cards, it's about $10. Again, it depends on the country, but that's not so bad because, it depends on which country you live in. But in order to rack up to $5, it might take you a little bit of time. Again, the surveys range from 10 cents to $2. A lot of them 30 cents to 60 cents. So you kind of do the math here, right? If you get access to on average 30-40 cent surveys and you're filling out a few every single day, you could make $1 every hour or 2, right? And that might take you maybe a week to get to about $5. So that's kind of how you can hit your minimum threshold to withdraw through PayPal, and that's how you can withdraw, okay? So, LifePoints is not really a way to quit your full-time job. You're not going to make life-changing income. This is just kind of bonus income, all right? So if you want to download it, you can come to the Google Play Store. 1 million over downloads. It is a very popular survey application. Unfortunately, though, LifePoints does not offer a ton of surveys. It offers an okay amount. The payout is pretty average, right? Expect to earn about $1 a day if you put in a couple of hours every single day into filling out surveys. So that's roughly about $30 a month. You could make a little bit more if you're lucky. It depends on the country that you live in. Maybe $50, maybe $60, but it's not going to go too much beyond that. Just understand that, right? But remember, it's free. It's available in 40 countries around the world. You don't need any special skills to make money from filling out surveys. But remember that filling out surveys, it's not meant to be life-changing income. It's just bonus income. You get paid a little bit of money for the time that you put in. So if you want to check out LifePoints, head to lifepointspanel.com and hopefully it is available in your country, because they are available in 40 countries around the world. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you are looking for a way to make bigger income, right? On this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of strategies to make money. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Out of all the good strategies though, there is one strategy that I used to quit my full-time job in April 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary. If you want to check that out, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out all the way at the bottom, and it shows you how to do this for free, step by step, if you want. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of LifePoints. I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.